In this video, I'll show you how to tie a knot for hand sewing. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Knots keep the thread secure while you're sewing, preventing it from slipping out of the needle or becoming tangled. Whether you're sewing, crafting, or just fixing a loose button, mastering this technique will come in handy. How to create a basic knot. Begin with the end of your thread, the tail end. Make a small loop by folding the thread back on itself. Gently pull the tail end of the thread through the loop you just made. This action will create a basic knot at the end of the thread. Creating a second knot, or double knot. Hold the end of the thread with your dominant hand. With your other hand, grasp the thread a few inches away from the end, approximately. Take note of the first knot you made. It will serve as a reference point. Create another loop by folding the thread back on itself, just like you did for the first knot. Again, gently pull the tail end of the thread through this new loop. You've now formed a second knot over the first one. Here's another way to knot sewing thread. Step 1. Start by threading your needle with a suitable thread. Step 2. With your dominant hand, firmly grasp the needle. Use your other hand to pinch the thread near the end. Step 3. Hold the needle and thread in opposite directions, like a friendly tug of war. Step 4. Using your dominant hand's thumb and index finger, clamp down on the end of the thread, close to the needle's eye. Step 5. Using your other hand, grab the thread that's closest to the tail end of the thread. Do not use the end that's attached to the eye of the needle. Wrap the thread around the needle at least 3 times. Step 6. Gently slide the loops down towards your clamped fingers until you can grab and hold them firmly. Step 7. With your free hand, grasp the needle's tip and gently pull it up. The thread will follow through, forming a neat knot at the end. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to support this channel.